SlimeVR. We all love it or we all hate it. Do we love it? Do we hate it? We probably love it, right? Yeah, great. I will show you a little tutorial on how to solder this and with my custom case for it. First thing I will mention is the antenna. 31.25 millimeters, counting from when it exits the actual pad. I didn't count the 1 or 2 millimeters that's actually soldered on the pad, if anyone is wondering. As for soldering the gyro, what I did is, as you can probably tell, I soldered at an angle. Here I don't have any more NRFs, so I'll show you with this board right here. What I did was I basically put the header on and I literally just pushed it at an angle, and then I soldered the first bit, the rest hold, and that's it. For the other side, it's literally the same, except I held the actual pin like that at an angle so it matches up with the actual board right here, so it pushes against the bottom and the side, and then I soldered it in. As for the case, you can see where is the button. Well, it's actually the actual case. You click on the case to get it to click. As you can probably see right here, there's a little slit, and when it clicks it just goes down. And the inside, pretty simple. The USB slots in through the hole, and that makes way for this little pillar to like hold it in place, so when you're plugging it in, it's not going to be all wiggly and so on. And the battery, though not soldered on yet, is right here, 500 milliamp hour. And originally when you get the battery, it should slot in such a way where you have the end and you literally just slot it in, pushing it in underneath the pillar, and it should fit just right. And of course soldered on to the first pin right here and the third pin right here. Cases are available in the description. There's also going to be a case for the actual receiver, which is just only the modded antenna, and that's all that's changed in here. If anyone has any questions, I'll answer you as quickly as possible. Bye for now.